socket right here, and then what the hell? I lost a pin. There's supposed to be a pin right here. I can't remember what these are, but yeah, all of it. Yeah.
Yeah, we are here.
And welcome back, my beautiful people. Good morning, good evening, good night, whatever time it is you guys are watching this. I hope you guys had a great day. I had a pretty great day myself. Yes, that is the usual intro, but I think it's a pretty good intro. I seen you guys' comments. You guys are awesome as always, and yeah, my day was pretty good. We prepped for a new air compressor. I will be installing that tomorrow. It's a big air compressor. Like, it's probably almost the size of Tonka, like from the hatch to about right here. It's one of those big industrial air compressors, but ours blew up and I had to clean all that up. But anyway, let's get to the vlog. We have a staging brake and other parts to install. Let's get it. So the first part we'll be installing is a gauge plate by a company called CBC Customs. It is custom built cars. You can find them on Instagram. DM them. If you can't find your vehicle, they do take inquiries. They could probably make you something 3D printed and custom to fit your vehicle. I ordered the single gauge plate, which is very nice, 3D printed. It only clips and hangs on by these. The cool thing about this is, oh yeah, also CBC 92 through 95, 96 through 98 Civic. But the cool thing about this is you can have it both ways. I don't know if there's another company that makes this, but I really like theirs. So it clips, there we go. You can have it clipped in that way. Or if you don't like it and you want to switch it up, you can put it towards the passenger side. Very simple, very easy. And in my opinion, if you're a company and you spray paint your box or do anything yourself like this, take the time to do it, you care about your company. I really like it. I paid 15 bucks and I think like $4 or $5 for shipping. So 20 bucks. Go check out their website if you're interested. Maybe they have something you need or want. I am not sure if that sounds like a sales pitch, but I'm not trying to sell you it. I'm just giving you a heads up. Hey, if you need something in the future, they could probably 3D print it for you. I just tell you guys where I buy my stuff, because if I just install it, you're going to be, and you want it, you're not even going to know where to look. Yes, you could DM me and stuff, but why not cut through that? But CBC, if you're watching this video, I really like your product and did a great job with the 3D printing. I really like the shiny face, but let's install something else. Since I don't have brake lines and I can't really go into depth of how we're setting up Tonka's brakes, here's a quick rundown. A very simple rundown. Brake pedal controls front brakes, staging brake controls rear brakes. That's just the way it's going to be plumbed. This has its own reservoir, and it will only be controlling the rear brakes. That has its own reservoir, which is the brake master, and it will control the front two brakes. So I'll put you guys on a tripod after I show you guys this part number. Tri-State Motorsports, shout out to you guys once again, as always. And then here's the lever. Put you guys on tripod. Let's install this. Real quick, let's talk about the two different types of staging brakes you could be running. This one is the reservoir one, which only controls the rear wheels. This is pretty much the feed. You put your brake fluid here. Here's the outlet. So inlet, outlet. Once you compress this piston, it will pressurize the brake fluid, go through your brake lines, and then compress your brake caliper. Therefore, you have a staging brake. But there's also a pass-through staging brake. Your master cylinder would pretty much look like this. It won't have a reservoir tank. it will just have a inlet fitting. The inlet fitting has a brake line going from the front brake master cylinder. Coming off of that, it has a proportioning valve, and the proportioning valve will go to this inlet. Ignore that, I had to fix the tank, but it'll go to the inlet fitting, and then you'll still have an outlet fitting that goes to your rear calipers. That's a more streetable version. So the street version looks like this, somewhat, and then this is the race car version, in my opinion. I highly recommend that one for, you know, your daily driver or something, if you just play every now and then, or you could do this for your street car. But with the street version, the reason why it ties in with the inlet right here is so whenever you hit your brake pedal to stop, you have front and rear brakes, front and rear bias. But let's continue with this install. I hope I didn't over explain it, and I hope you guys understood. Alright guys, so I got it pretty much on. Just mock up the Allen bolts right here, same as up here. And then remember, when you use washers, make sure that the flat side is towards the surface. Let's get the master cylinder on, and let's hook it up. So with the master cylinder, it's very simple. These two holes line up with these two studs right here, and then what the hell? I lost a pin. There's supposed to be a pin right here. It's supposed to go right here, and this thread's on right here. How am I gonna fix that? Yeah, it's supposed to be a pin like this. No, it's maybe Ace Hardware will sell one. Oh wait, no, I got a trick. I learned something. You can't just snap. Oh wait, no, you gotta keep gunning. That's how it works. You use 2 fingers with thumb, and then fixed it. Yeah, that worked. Just gotta stay blessed, stay slaying. Shout out to Anthony at ProFab. Made me this custom 1-of-1 lever. This looks like the one that's on the AK-47. That one is discontinued. So now why not make my own custom one? And you guys like that? You guys, come on. Nah, you ain't fucking with that. But shout out to Anthony at ProFab. Once again, you killed it. Same thing as the Tate Tonka Brake Master delete plate, or Brake Booster delete plate. You killed it. The custom font that I wanted. Now, let's put the master on. And it is installed. This top stud, I need to put thread lock on it because whenever I tighten this lock nut, it's just forcing the stud in. But it's tightened down. That'll do for now. I wasn't going to say anything. I was going to wait till someone said something. Maybe asked about it in the comments or asked about it whenever we're at the track. But let's install a shift knob and conclude this video. Oh yeah. And before we install the shift knob, this thread pitch right here is M10 by 1.5. I had to go to Ace Hardware, and I ended up just buying this pretty one. I spent $2.50 on just this. It is black chrome, and it's very nice. Shout out to Ace Hardware. I'm just saying shout out to everybody. Shout out to you guys. Once again, shout out to you. Where's the center? Right there. But here's the shift knob. OEM. Very nice. That's probably one of the best OEM shift knobs ever made. Here's the part number. I was going to go with a K-Tune one, but this is so nice. Like, I don't know. I really like it. That looks great. That looks great. And thank you for watching. This will conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It looks great. It really does. It's not as hot today. It rained a little bit today. It was muggy, but it's actually pretty cool tonight. So that's why I'm not sweating. But but I really appreciate you guys once again. Like, comment, subscribe. I read every comment. Sometimes I may not message you back or comment back, but I will like and probably heart it. So stay blessed, stay sane, most importantly, keep gunning, and I'll catch you guys next time.